Before we dive in, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials that make your workflow smoother. In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly find your DocuSign account ID. This little piece of information is super important for managing your digital transactions, whether you're setting up new features, working with collaborators, or reaching out to support. Start by opening your browser and heading over to the DocuSign website. Go ahead and log in with your account credentials. If you use a password manager, this is the perfect time to let it auto-fill for you. Once you log in, you will land on your main dashboard. Now look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see a circular icon with either your initials or profile picture. Click that and a drop-down menu will appear. Right under your email address, you'll find your DocuSign account ID. That's it. No digging through settings, no complicated menus. Your account ID is a unique string of numbers that identifies your account, so handle it carefully. A quick tip: save it securely in a password manager or a protected node, so you don't have to repeat this process every time. And if you manage multiple accounts, always double check that you're looking at the right one. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, give it a like and subscribe for more simple guides to make your digital life easier.